Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to do a brief walkthrough on an all-new Harris 230 Solstice, ordered with a tower, 300 horsepower, and loaded with all the goodies. So, back here, the business end of the boat. I'm going to get this out of the way for us. This is just a nice, it's a nice cooler that Harris gives with the convenience package, but powered by the Mercury 300 V8, digital throttle, power-assisted hydraulic steering. Automatic tilt and trim, Mercury active trim, just works really, really well. Flip over swim seat, one of the most popular options on all of the Harrises that we order. Has the new lily pad ladder, which is easily the nicest ladder in the pontoon boat business, and the stern safety rail around the back of the boat with built-in fender holders on it. So flip-flop backrest, which I really, really like. It is the more popular of the floor plans. So you can flip it this way if you want to sit facing out the back of the boat, or this can also go down completely flat to make a full sun pad, or you can also, little kickstand in here, flip this up and use this as a forward-facing chase lounge. So really, really versatile seating, and some of the most popular floor plans that we do. This is the SL, so it has the extra captain's chair. Elevated helm, dual SIMRAD screens, watersports tower, JL audio, and the biggest sound system available from the factory. So all JL audio speakers, extra subs, 2 subwoofers on board the boat, extra amplifiers, and JL tower cans, as well as the full LED lighting package. So LED lighting, cup holders, seat bases, under the seats, under the rub rail, and underwater in the back. Flip up table over here on the port side of the boat, in-floor ski locker, and double bimini top. So this boat's really about 25 foot long, even though it's a 230 model. The deck length's a little longer, and that's about 25 foot. Full length shade, so you get shade from about really 23 feet of the boat. So, and this also has a nicer luxe interior. So really, really well optioned boat. So if you have any questions about this or any other one you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.